Okay, I'm not really big on take and bake, but I went to California Pizza Kitchen. It is a chain, but I do like their pizza, and their menu was created by the late, great Ed Ledoux. So I have a soft spot in my heart for California Pizza Kitchen, or as we call it, CPK. And they have these shake and bake pizzas that just came out. So here's what it looks like. This is a mushroom pizza. You open it up. There are the instructions. Take and bake. You preheat the oven to 450. You bake it for 7 to 10 minutes. You garnish it with whatever they have. And it looks like they have a little bit of cheese in here for garnish. Here's the cheese. So it's in the plastic wrap. I'm going to take it out, throw it in the oven, give it a taste, and I'll let you know how it turns out. It's supposed to cook in 5 to 7 minutes. I'm cooking it on a baking steel. Okay. So here's what the pizza looks like outside the plastic wrap. It's a wild mushroom pizza. I'm going to throw it in the oven and wait to 5 to 7 minutes, and I'll let you know what it looks like when it comes out. Okay, and here's the finished pizza. It just came out of the oven, and it smells pretty good, I have to say. Now, this pizza is a take and bake, so it was par cooked at CPK, and a little leoparding underneath there. I'm going to cut it up. I'm going to have a slice and let you know how it tastes. And it cut up pretty well. Here's a slice. I let it cool down a bit. Now let me have a taste. It's a winner. It tastes really good. For a take and bake pizza, not bad. So, I recommend it. Up to you though. Check out CPK's take and bake pizza. It's not as good as homemade, but it's not bad. Fresh ingredients. Tastes pretty good. Way better than frozen. So I just wanted to show you the box one more time. Here it is. Take and bake pizza from California Pizza Kitchen. We had the wild mushroom pizza. I liked it. On this end, I recommend it. But again, you'll have to decide yourself. Pizza on Earth, Goodwill.